Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix monitor defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this video, we review the Synchronized Cardioversion feature of the Zenix monitor defibrillator. To initiate Synchronized Cardioversion, place therapy electrodes on the patient and ensure they are connected to the device. To perform a Synchronized Cardioversion, you must use the Sync key, located in the action bar while the device is in manual mode. Select the Sync key, which turns blue, and Sync Cardioversion displays in the window. Note that white arrows mark the R wave of each ECG complex. Choose the desired cardioversion energy using the Energy Select key. Next, press the Charge button. Finally, press and hold to deliver the shock. If Zenix needs to be disarmed at any time when charged, select the red Disarm key located on the right side of the defibrillation dashboard. You can also disarm Zenix by using the Energy Select key to change the energy setting, or by leaving the device in a charged state for 60 seconds. After a cardioversion is performed, the sync function is disabled. Subsequent cardioversions require reactivation of the sync key. We have now reviewed the synchronized cardioversion features of the Zenix monitor defibrillator.